Hey students. Okay, so this is going to be a quick overview of week 4 and what you're expected to do this week. It's going to be pretty straightforward. Looking ahead, we're going to be starting your first paper in week 5. We're also going to have a quiz reviewing the readings from the first 4 weeks. So this week is a great time to catch up if you're behind at all on any of the readings, so that you can go into the quiz next week fully prepared. The quiz is going to be your first graded assignment, though I'll also be checking to make sure that you're all keeping up with your posts and your comments on Slack. Things to do this week. Post whatever you like in the Icebreaker and the Hallway Slack channels. It's great to keep the sort of classroom conversation going. Watch any videos I send out during the week. There's obviously this overview, but I'm probably going to be sending a few other brief videos reviewing some of the texts that we read earlier in the semester. And definitely I'm recording one thing that is going to be a intro to Passage to India, specifically literary analysis of the first paragraph of the book. And I think that will be pretty helpful to you in seeing the kind of thing that you might be doing on your paper. Many of you have not written English lit papers for college before. You've written papers in other classes, and a lit paper might be a little different than what you've done for a history class or a poli-sci class. So that should give you a much better sense of what you might want to do when you're writing your paper. Reading is really straightforward. You are reading more of Passage to India, which I'll remind you is available for free at Project Gutenberg online. Read all of part 2. And next week we will finish up with part 3. You're going to write 3 journal entries on different chapters from part 2. You're going to write 7 comments on your classmates' journal entries. Yes, 7 instead of 5. We're bumping it up a little bit. We want a nice, vibrant discussion, which hopefully is going to give you lots of ideas as you start thinking about your papers. If you haven't met with me yet, and most of you have, but there are a few stragglers, please, please, please plan a time to meet with me on Zoom, either during the regular office hours, or if you can't make those by any chance, just email me and we will set up a time. This is just going to be an initial check-in, get to know each other a little bit, and make sure everything's going smoothly for you. Starting next week, we'll be doing more concrete work during these optional office hours on things like your papers, questions you might have about the readings, study guide questions, etc. So I think that is it for, that's it for today and for week 4, and I will see you on Slack. Bye!